In this video we are going to talk about 19 highly effective ways to stay motivated. So before starting the video, please like this video, do subscribe and turn on the notification to our channel for future updates. What drives us to stay motivated is as individual as who we are, so you need to tailor a motivational that will resonate with you. The more you know and understand yourself, the more effective your efforts will be. So we have compiled a list of effective ways to stay motivated. 1. Recognize your motivation. It's not always about what you're doing or how you're doing it. Sometimes it's about why you're doing it. Having a clear idea of what you're working for can help you stay on track. 2. Establish your objective. Defined objectives help you put your ideas into action. It's the crucial link between planning and execution. 3. Establish a distinct vision. You must build a clear, compelling vision that you can relate to and identify with if you want to achieve. It won't push you to stay on track if it doesn't speak to your emotions. Create the most expansive vision you can, because you can only achieve what you perceive. 4. Make a strategy. A plan will take your vision and break it down into the steps you'll need to get it done once you've set a goal. As we all know, a goal without a strategy is nothing more than a fantasy. 5. Keep an eye on the broad picture. Consider the larger picture when you're trying to stay motivated. Think bigger if you want to accomplish more. 6. Maintain an optimistic attitude. Positive ideas lead to positive actions, and self-affirming affirmations can assist you in reaching your full potential. Take charge of your thoughts, feelings, and actions. Positivity will assist you in making the decisions that lead to success. 7. Take a fresh approach to chores. It's possible that getting started is the issue. A new viewpoint and more energy might come from a different approach. 8. Break goals down into smaller, more achievable chunks. Your ability to break down your goals into shorter-term and smaller single tasks will be critical to your achievement. Maintain a reasonable level of control. 9. Organize yourself. Make sure your workspace is clutter-free so you can arrange your thoughts. You have a better chance of being more effective and productive in a quiet setting. 10. Strike procrastination in the face. Make no excuses or waste time justifying why you haven't started yet. Instead, try to figure out what's causing the delay and get to work right away. The greatest way to start something is to just start. 11. Use deadlines to your advantage. Setting a time limit for an activity will allow you to gather your resources and materials in order to complete tasks that you might not have completed otherwise. 12. Put an end to multitasking. Don't divide your concentration. Instead, devote your entire attention to the task at hand. When you do, your chances of success increase dramatically. 13. Deprive your diversions of food. Make the necessary adjustments to avoid getting distracted by people, tasks, or technology. Create ways that help you begin and finish work without being distracted or interrupted. 14. Make an effort to stay in the zone. When you're in the zone, you normally accomplish your finest and most productive work. Ask yourself how you can create the ideal setting for you to do your best job and stick with it until you've figured it out. 15. Decide on success. Make the decision to be successful, then stay with it and see it through. You can improve your odds of succeeding by visualizing yourself effectively completing a task. 16. Have a good time. Find a way to make it fun if you really want to stay motivated. Fun is not an enemy, but rather a powerful incentive. 17. Make use of optimism's strength. Your ability to do something is dependent on your belief in your capacity to do so. The foundation of progress is optimism. 18. Give yourself a reward. Learn how to motivate yourself to accomplish hated chores and create a reward system for doing them. 19. Make a mental picture of oneself succeeding. Visualization is a powerful tool for focusing, staying motivated, and achieving your objectives. Even the most difficult chores can feel like part of a larger goal if you visualize yourself successfully finishing them. So that's it for today's video. What are your thoughts on our video? Please let us know in comments section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification before you go. Thank you for watching.